Straight back from Las Vegas, Black Hat USA 2025. What was the big topic of discussion? Well, it'll be no surprise to know that it's artificial intelligence and very much on agentic AI. So people are concerned about AI overtaking their roles, their organization. That's true in business in general, and it's also very true in cybersecurity. When we think about agentic AI, that is very much, in my view, the opportunity to alleviate or at least reduce the skills shortage in the SOC, the Security Operations Center. We so often hear of SOC analysts suffering from burnout and leaving the industry, and automated support is a big thing there. So one of the buzz phrases that we heard at Black Hat USA was the human in the loop. And what the human in the loop does is help build trust and confidence in the artificial intelligence that's in use in the SOC. I view that as a bit of a dial, a twisty dial. And as your trust, your confidence in the AI that is delivering security capability within the SOC, as that trust and confidence grows, then you turn the dial a bit more and you let more AI in and you let more AI in. And so it goes on. But that dial never gets to the end. It's a constantly moving dial. And that's because the threat landscape is constantly moving. And for this reason, you will always need humans in the loop. So what does that mean for our clients at Omdia, those that are selling security products and services? Overall, I would say always ensure that the human in the loop is emphasized. It's so much more than a buzz phrase. It's a reality. We still need humans for the trust aspect of cybersecurity. So for those customers influencing and making buying decisions in the SOC, they want to know about the human in the loop, want to know that it's still there. From a vendor perspective, if you're selling the software, ensure that the human in the loop is clear in the conversations that you're having with clients and prospects. We also know that over 90% of cybersecurity sales go through and with partners. It's a huge amount of this overall cybersecurity market. So for those organizations delivering security services, whether you're an MSP, software as a service, you're a GSI, etc., ensure that your clients know that you have humans in the loop and that humans, these real people, are still very much part of the service that you're delivering. So the 15 analysts from Omdia by Informa Tech Target who were at Black Hat USA this year have collaborated on a free report that's available now on the Omdia website. So please do get in touch with any questions or for more details. Thank you.